In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted board in Miro. We'll quickly walk through how a board gets deleted, what that warning means for free versus paid plans, and exactly how to bring a board back from the trash if your plan supports it. First, let's simulate a deletion so you know where this starts. On your Miro dashboard, hover over the board tile, click the three dots, and choose Delete. Miro will show a confirmation window. Pay close attention here. If you're on the free plan, deleting a board is permanent. There's no trash and no way to restore it later. Because of that, it's generally only recommended to delete boards if you're on a paid plan or you're absolutely sure you won't need the board again. If you're unsure, cancel the delete and consider other options like limiting sharing or moving the board instead. Now, for paid plans, your deleted boards go to the trash area. From your Miro dashboard, look at the left sidebar and click Trash. If you don't see the trash option, you may be on the free plan or you might not have the right permissions or team selected. Switch to the correct team or workspace if you're part of multiple organizations. Inside Trash, you'll find boards that have been deleted recently. For most paid plans, Miro keeps deleted boards here for 30 days. After that window, they're permanently removed. Some organizations may have different retention policies managed by an admin, but 30 days is the standard for most plans. If the board you're looking for isn't there, it may have been deleted beyond that time frame or removed from a different team's trash. To restore, locate the board you want to recover and click Restore. The board will be returned to its original location, typically the same project or team it came from, along with its previous sharing settings. Give it a moment to reappear, then open it from your dashboard to confirm everything looks as expected. If you don't see it right away, refresh your dashboard or check the project where it originally lived. A few quick tips. Make sure you're viewing the correct team in Miro if you work across multiple spaces. If you can't restore a board, you may need board owner or admin permissions. In that case, ask a team admin to help. And remember, the safest practice is to avoid permanent deletion on the free plan. If there's any chance you'll need a board again, keep it on a paid plan where trash and recovery are available. That's it. Delete, find trash, and restore. You're all set to recover your boards in Miro.